empowered, strong, and flexible, no matter what your age. My name is Wini Linguvic, and I am the creator of the Elevate practice. I'm a strength coach and a yoga teacher, and about 25 years ago, I realized that all the yoga that so many women were doing wasn't enough. It wasn't enough to keep them strong and healthy, especially as they got older. Yes, yoga is fabulous, super fabulous for the breath and the mindfulness, but yoga alone is not enough to get and stay healthy and strong. So many women, even if they practice yoga all the time, still struggle to do a push-up, take a long hike or walk without feeling exhausted, or carry all their groceries to the car in one trip. For me, as a strength coach and a yoga teacher, there was a simple solution. Take the mindfulness of yoga and apply it to smart, progressive, results-oriented exercise. We absolutely need the mindfulness of yoga, especially with all the stress we're under these days. But we also need strength, mobility, and balance for bone health, metabolism, posture, and simply feeling our best. We need smart, effective exercise that works for our body to stay strong, stretched, and sane as we navigate this wild and epic journey of life. So if you are juggling being busy and looking for a way to get stronger, more flexible, and more mindful without spending hours and hours on ineffective or unsafe methods, please check out the rest of this page and join me at the Elevate practice.